Pasta is one of the most widely consumed foods in the world. Yet behind its simple appearance lies a highly controlled industrial production process. Inside a modern pasta manufacturing facility, production systems operate continuously, designed to deliver consistency, structural stability, and uniform quality at scale. The process begins with durum wheat semolina. This coarse flour is produced specifically for pasta, chosen for its protein content and its ability to form a strong, resilient structure. Semolina is stored in large silos and transported automatically to the mixing section. Here, purified water is precisely measured and combined with the semolina. The ratio of water to flour is carefully controlled to achieve the correct hydration level. Inside industrial mixers, the ingredients gradually combine, forming a coarse, granular dough. Unlike bread dough, pasta dough remains relatively firm, preserving its characteristic texture. Once mixed, the dough is transferred to the extrusion system. Under high pressure, the dough is compacted and forced through shaping dies. These dies, often made from bronze or steel, determine the final shape, surface texture, and thickness of the pasta. From long strands to short and complex forms, each die produces a specific type of pasta. As the pasta exits the die, rotating blades cut it to precise lengths. At this stage, the pasta is still soft and structurally delicate. The freshly formed pasta is placed onto conveyors and moved into the drying section. Drying is the most critical phase of industrial pasta production. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are carefully regulated over extended periods of time. The goal is to remove moisture gradually, without cracking, bending, or weakening the pasta structure. When properly dried, pasta becomes stable, durable, and suitable for long-term storage, while maintaining its cooking performance. After drying, the pasta is slowly cooled to ambient temperature. Automated inspection systems evaluate shape, color consistency, and dimensional accuracy. Products that do not meet specifications are automatically removed from the line. Approved pasta continues to the packaging section. Here, precise weighing systems portion the pasta accurately. Automated packaging machines form bags, fill them with pasta, and seal them securely. Each package is labeled with batch and production information. To ensure traceability, packaged products are grouped into cartons, sealed, and transferred to palletizing systems. Industrial robots stack cartons with precision and stability. Finished pallets are wrapped, secured, and moved into storage or toward distribution areas. Throughout the facility, production continues without interruption. Each stage functions as part of a larger integrated system, transforming raw agricultural material into a consistent, shelf-stable product. Pasta manufacturing combines food science, mechanical engineering, and precise industrial control. At Matera Lab, we document how materials are transformed through real-world production systems, from raw semolina to finished product. This is how pasta is produced. Subscribe to Matera Lab for more industrial documentaries exploring material transformation and modern production systems.